Hi, my name is Chantel C with the AtHome Experience, and thank you for joining me for this Reflexology Minute. Today we're going to talk about foot reflexology and sinuses. So while you can access the sinuses in the reflexology points in your hands and in your ears, I find the ones in your feet particularly powerful. So if you're experiencing sinus congestion or sinus pressure due to allergies, or maybe you're starting to get sick and are feeling stuffed up, I recommend 2 points. One is the ileocecal valve. It controls the level of mucus in our body. It also connects the small and large intestines. It's on the right side of the body, so it's right at the level of the appendix. In reflexology, it's going to be in the right foot. So this is your heel. You're going to be coming just up from there, underneath the 4th and 5th digits before you get to the heel. You're going to press and then hold 3 to 5 seconds. Then you're going to do the sinus structures, and that's the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th digits. You're going to be creating a little hook with your pointer finger going underneath the belly of the toe, pressing in and holding. And you're going to do that 3 to 5 seconds as well, both feet. I hope it helps. Until next time.